Hello viewers, this is Jubli Saikia and you're watching My News Any. In a major organizational reshuffle, the Indian National Congress has appointed Gaurav Gogoi as the new president of Assam Pradesh Congress Committee. The decision has been taken by All India Congress Committee with immediate effect. Here we are bringing you the full details. Gaurav Gogoi named as new APCC president. 3 working presidents appointed for support. Bhupen Bora to lead campaign committee. Key election panels formed in Assam. Congress gears up for 2026 elections. Yes, viewers, the Indian National Congress today appointed Lok Sabha MP Gaurav Gogoi as the new president of the Assam Pradesh Congress Committee, replacing Bhupen Kumar Bora. Alongside Gogoi's elevation, the Congress High Command announced the appointment of 3 working presidents with Zakir Hussain Sikdar, Roslina Tirki and Pradeep Sarkar to assist in the party's organizational and grassroots mobilization in India. Roslina Tirki will relinquish her current role as AICC secretary following her new assignment. The Congress party also expressed its gratitude to Bhupen Kumar Bora, acknowledging his contributions during his tenure as APCC president. In a further move to bolster the party's poll preparedness in Assam, the Congress president approved the formation of key committees, assigning leadership to senior figures in the state, with campaign committee with Bhupen Kumar Bora, coordination committee with Debabrata Saikia, manifesto committee with Pradyut Bordoloi, publicity committee with Rakibul Hussain. This reshuffle reflects a strategic balancing of experience and youth, with Gaurav Gogoi, son of former Assam Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi, being seen as a dynamic and credible face of the party in the region. His appointment comes at a critical time as the Congress seeks to reclaim lost ground in Assam and counter the BJP's dominance in the state. The appointments, which take immediate effect, are expected to revamp the party's organizational machinery and inject fresh momentum into its campaign planning and outreach efforts. With the 2026 Assam Assembly elections on the horizon, these changes signal the Congress intend to present a united and re-energized front in the politically vital northeastern state. Yes, viewers, in a major organizational reshuffle, the Indian National Congress has appointed Gaurav Gogoi as the new president of Assam Pradesh Congress Committee. The decision has been announced by the All India Congress Committee with immediate effect. Gogoi, a prominent member of the parliament and the son of former Assam Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi, succeeds Bhupen Kumar Bora, who has been entrusted with the role of chairperson of the APCC campaign committee ahead of the upcoming elections. The newly appointed working presidents of the APCC are Zakir Hussain Sikdar, Roslina Tirki and Pradeep Sarkar. The party has expressed gratitude for the contribution of the outgoing president Bhupen Kumar Bora during his tenure. In a related move, Roslina Tirki has been relieved of her current responsibilities as AICC secretary to focus on her new role within the state unit. The Congress leadership has also announced appointments to key committees to steer the party's electoral preparations in Assam. Campaign committee chairperson with Bhupen Kumar Bora, coordination committee chairperson with Debabrata Saikia, manifesto committee chairperson with Pradyut Bordoloi, publicity committee chairperson with Rakibul Hussain. This reshuffle signals a strategic move by the Congress to strengthen its organizational structure in Assam ahead of crucial electoral battles. Yes, viewers, in a significant organizational reshuffle, the Indian National Congress today unveiled a new leadership structure for its Assam Pradesh Congress Committee, appointing Lok Sabha MP Gaurav Gogoi as the new president. Gogoi, seen as a dynamic and credible face, takes the reins from Bhupen Kumar Bora as the party aims to inject fresh into its state unit. The High Command also announced the appointment of 3 working presidents, Zakir Hussain Sikdar, Roslina Tirki and Pradeep Sarkar, who will play crucial roles in bolstering the party's organizational strength and grassroots outreach across Assam. Roslina Tirki will step down from her current role as AICC secretary to take up this new assignment. The party also formally extended its appreciation to Bhupen Kumar Bora for his dedicated service during his tenure as APCC president, in a move clearly aimed at streamlining poll preparedness for the crucial 2026 Assam Assembly elections. The Congress president has approved the formation of several key committees. Bhupen Kumar Bora will now chair the campaign committee, while Debabrata Saikia will lead the coordination committee. The manifesto committee will be headed by Pradyut Bordolo, and Rokibul Hussain will oversee the publicity committee. This comprehensive reshuffle, a blend of experience and youthful dynamism, comes at a critical juncture for the Congress in Assam. Gaurav Gogoi, son of the late veteran leader and former Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi, is widely preserved as a leader capable of challenging the ruling BJP stronghold in the state and reclaiming lost political ground. The appointments, which are effective immediately, are anticipated to revitalize the party's machinery and provide a much needed to its campaign planning and outreach as it prepares for the upcoming electoral battle. That's all for now. For further updates, keep watching My News Any.